Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying identity and device readiness. Sign into Settings or System Settings with your Apple ID. This ensures the store reads the correct balance. Once done, confirm there are no pending purchases or subscriptions that block changes, because Apple freezes adjustments during processing. Make sure payment methods are visible under Payments and Shipping. If one is expired, update it now. These steps shorten the fix and prevent delays. You'll now perform the core reset. Sign out of your Apple ID on the device. Do this in Settings Your Name Sign Out, because a full sign out clears cached balance data. Next, restart the device to flush temporary files and reconnect to stable Wi-Fi so the store can sync properly. Then sign back in. When you open the App Store, the system queries Apple servers and refreshes the displayed balance. If the balance still seems off, proceed to verify purchase history. Finish by confirming the balance against your purchase history and account balance in the App Store's account menu. This tells you why amounts differ. If it's incorrect after refresh, request a refund for any accidental purchases or contact Apple support. Explain you signed out /in and restarted to save time. Make sure to have receipts and your Apple ID ready, because support can take action faster with those. One troubleshooting tip: if support asks for a device log, enable diagnostics and send it as instructed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.